Okay, I'm going to do a cold start on my chodge. It's kind of dark in here, so if it looks a little dark, I apologize. We're inside a carport. But I need to get this running and get it out of here because there's a tree over here I want to cut down, or have cut down. It's right beside it. I'm just leaning over it, and I don't like that. We got the backhoe here. Whenever the master shows up, we'll get the going on that, but for now we're going to start this. Battery should be hooked up still. I had this running. I did a video on this probably a week ago where I got it running. This thing's been sitting for, I think it's been running for 2 years. But anyways, I had it running last week. Grab the key. Hopefully the battery still got connection and it's still up. I'll just turn her over first, see what it does. Hell, it took right off. You have to pump the gas. Anyways, I'll give her a couple pumps. It should take off. That was too easy. Anyways, these are running. Dirty, but it's running. And sometime here, I'll do the one on the Malibu sitting here. But that should do it for now.